Welcome back to Jilly's Nails. And no, my hands have not aged 20 years. This is my mom. And we actually had a girls' day and did a little manicure for her. We started it out with Complete Care 7-in-1 from Sally Hansen. That is a little bit of a pricey base coat. It's about $13, but it's great if you have ridges in your nails. And then I have pretty much changed over to the red bottle for instant dry top coat. We're going to use Uptown from I Love Nail Polish and Ephemeral from ORLY. My mom loves neutral colors. Neutral. She is a neutral kind of gal. Can't get her to do red, pink, anything. She likes corals and neutrals. So that's what we had to do for a wintry mani for her. And honestly, I love it. Y'all, she would not let me use this glitter, but freaking yeehaw, it's adorable. I love this glitter and she would not let me use it. I was a little mad at her for that. I'm not gonna lie, a little mad. So, like I said, we are going to start out with the Sally Hansen 7-in-1 Complete Care Base Coat. This is not sponsored by them. I just love this product. It's great for filling in ridges. I have horrible ridges on my nails, and I love it for this. And what we're going to do is alternate using the Uptown from I Love Nail Polish and the Ephemeral from ORLY, and kind of just alternate it on a few nails for some accent nails and a little bit of color change out. This is not a design I would have normally done. So I have to tell you, sometimes the fact that my mom loves neutrals does make me have to think outside of the box a little bit. And I ended up loving this. It comes out really cute. You'll see. So again, just kind of going through painting her different nails. If you have not tried I Love Nail Polish, they're mostly holographics. They do have some multi-chromes and things like that in there as well. It's definitely like a boutique style polish. I would say they're definitely comparable to Simply Nailogical stuff. I prefer these just because honestly they're a little bit cheaper. I don't have any problems with Simply Nailogical, but I think these are great and they're only $10. This color Ephemeral came from the ORLY Winter 2021 Color Pass box. It's called Momentary Wonders. I have a video on that. You should definitely go check it out. That collection was stunning, and I am obsessed with this color. It is that perfect kind of white yellow, like when it shifts, it turns a little bit of a yellowy gold. It's absolutely gorgeous in person. Normally, I do not like that kind of polish. I hate 3 coats. You don't have to do 3 coats. It goes on in 2. And it's stunning. So my mom wanted snowflakes. She wanted a winter manicure, but she did not want Christmas colors. She wanted something that she could wear past Christmas. And so I just went through. This is an old Mani by Me box that was for snow and snowflakes. It might have been the first year for Christmas or the second year for Christmas that they actually did these. And she just wanted me to pick out different random snowflakes and just kind of go to town with them. Do note on this, I am kind of scrubbing the polish into the plate. When you have something with really fine lines, I feel like it helps just kind of get in there and make sure that you're going to get a clean pickup from the first try. And I did on all of these. And what we're going to do is on the nails that have Ephemeral, we're doing the copper colored, not flavored, the copper colored snowflakes. And then on the coppery colored nails, we're doing the off-white snowflakes. And I think it came out really pretty, especially on those nails with Ephemeral, because when it shifts, both of the shifty colors match the copper, or the kind of, it's already a shifty, like, neutral color anyway, but it matches both. So when it shifts from different angles, all the colors that it shifts to also match the snowflakes. I love it. I think it came out so pretty on her. She loved it, and it lasted on her, she said, for about 2 weeks. So let me know what you think of this one, the kind of not typical winter mani. I'm very curious. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you on Tuesday with Dad's Nails. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.